eyes. The first step of any makeup should be sunscreen, and this one gives you some extra glow, just like a primer. And I'm all about the glow these days. I either use a foundation or a BB cream if I want to go a bit lighter on the makeup. Both of them have a kind of dewy finish, so I think they work pretty well for my skin. Today I use the foundation from Etude House because I have a few more blemishes to cover up at the moment. I always use a beauty blender. I find that it's the best way to work in the foundation and make it look all shiny and glowy. When I didn't get much sleep like today, I like to use some concealer underneath my eyes, and I also cover up a few annoying pimples. Next I use the INNISFREE No-Sebum Moisture Powder in some areas to set the foundation. This one is actually great since it doesn't take the glow away. I'm using this jelly highlighter which spreads super easily and looks really natural. Next is the contouring. I'm using my Sculpting palette from NYX. A bit contour for the cheeks, nose and the jawline as well. Then you use this tiny brush for your eyebrows. I'm using pressed eyebrow powder because for me it's the easiest way to shape my eyebrows. I additionally use a nude eyeshadow stick to soften and lighten my eyebrows a bit. It gives the brows a bit more texture and hold. There's not many lighter eyebrow shades that work for me, so I do this to adjust the color to fit me. Don't forget to brush them afterwards. I use a liquid blusher because we want a dewy finish, right? This one from INNISFREE adds a nice soft pastel pink touch. Now comes my absolute faves, the Love You So Mochi palettes from NYX. What's so special about these colors is that instead of powder, they have a creamy gel-like consistency, so they melt into the skin more seamlessly. I find them a lot easier to apply since you don't have to be too precise as the colors blend together really well. This is my secret recipe for the extra sparkle on the eyes. Instead of applying glue and glitter, you have it all in one product, which makes the application go way faster and easier. The eyeliner is optional, you can easily wear this look without it. This MOLY mascara is a tubing mascara, which unlike others doesn't smudge when removing it, since it basically wraps each individual lash in a tube. I like to fill in my lips with a lip liner that's pretty similar to my natural lip color, just to bring out the shape a bit. Afterwards I apply this super shiny lip gloss that kinda gives a 2000s vibe. And that's it, you're done.